Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Top Best. I hope you've got the most out of our previous videos. Let's be honest, we've always used beautiful words and sentences for green areas, and it was well described in our poems and contexts, but no efforts were done to save them. Most of green areas are nibbled with our factories, industries, and farming lands. Here in this video, I'm gonna introduce some giant forests, which are the homelands of many other creatures that even we might not have seen them yet. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell. And if you like the video, hit the like button and write your comments down below. These forests are the pillars of nature. Amazon. It is covering an area of over 1.2 billion acres. The Amazon rainforest is the largest in the world. This region is home to 10% of the world's unknown species and represents over half of the rainforest on this planet. The Congo Rainforest. This African rainforest stretches over 1.5 million square miles. Deforestation has turned this region into one of the most endangered ecosystems in the world. There are 5 national parks in the Congo Rainforest, which are designated as World Heritage Sites. Bosavas Biosphere Reserve. The Bosavas Biosphere Reserve in northern Nicaragua spans the area of over 5 million acres, which makes it one of the world's largest rainforests. The region was designated as UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in 1997. Daintree Rainforest. This ancient rainforest was named after a geologist and photographer Richard Daintree, which is located on the coast of Queensland, Australia. Being over 165 million years old, made it to be the oldest tropical rainforest in the world. Southeast Asian Rainforest. Stretching from India to Malaysia, these forests were once the most biodiverse regions of the world before much of the land was cleared for logging and farming. Most of Asia's tropical rainforests are scattered across the islands of Indonesia. Experts believe that the rainforest of Malaysia existed as far back as 1 million years ago. Tonga's National Forest. Half of the Tonga's National Forest is covered in rainforests, and the other half is made of rock, ice, and water. The largest trees in Alaska are found here, and only about 25% of these trees are protected. This region covers 11,000 miles of coastline and is home to about 75,000 people in 32 communities. Cannabalo National Park. Cannabalo was the first national park in Malaysia and was also the country's first World Heritage Site. This 130 million years old rainforest is considered to be one of the most important biological sites in the world, with thousands of species of plants and animals. Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve. It is located in mountains of Costa Rica. This region was designated as reserve in 1972 to protect the forest from logging. The area is made of rivers, rainforests, and cloud forests, and is said to have some of the best bird watching in the world. Sinharaja Forest Reserve. This national park is in Sri Lanka, was designated as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1978. 60% of the park's trees are endemic to the region and many others considered to be extremely rare. Maldivian Temperate Rainforest. It is located on the west coast of South America. This ecoregion spans from Chile to Argentina. 4 forest ecosystems exist within the Maldivian Temperate Rainforest, including the Patagonian Andean Forest, the Northern Patagonian Forest, deciduous rainforest, and laurel forests.